This is laser diffraction experiment. In this experiment, I have to determine the wavelength of laser light using diffraction grating. So lasers is classified into 5 types. There is in the 5 types, there is one type of laser here we used. Okay, what are the operators are required in this experiment? So required operator is diffraction grating and diode laser source. It is a main laser source and image screen and meter scale. Okay, so here this is main semiconductor laser source and this is grating and this is screen. In between the screen there is used wooden scale. Okay, it is used for the measurement between the screen and also grating. Okay, so in this experiment here we have used 3 formulas, that is d sin theta m is equal to m lambda. Here lambda is the wavelength. This equation write in terms of lambda. Lambda is equal to d sin theta m. Here d is the grating constant, theta m is the angle of diffraction. It is also have another formula, that is d is equal to 2.54 into 10 power minus 2 by n, where n is the number of lines inside the grating. So what we given the grating, there is in the grating number of lines are used. Okay, and also angle of diffraction have another formula, that is tan inverse of xm by f. So here xm is the distance between the two spot on both sides. It is from the screen, and also f is the distance between the grating and also screen. Okay, these 3 formula here we used. Okay, after that come to the diagram. So this is your experimental diagram. Based on the diagram we can arrange the experimental setup like this. This is laser source and grating, and in between the grating and also screen, in between the grating and also screen take some distance. Okay, that is measuring from scale, okay, the distance is important. So according to the circuit diagram we can arrange using given operators. So next is comes to the tabular column. In the tabular column LPI, where L is line per inches, so in that is number of lines per inch it is appeared in the grating, and F is the 100 centimeter. So this 100 centimeter is measured between grating and also screen. Okay, this is experimental arrangement. So here this is scale one end, that is scale another end. This is screen and this is grating. In between grating and the screen, so some distance is very important. The distance is 100 centimeter. Okay, so but in your exam there we will give one more distance, that is 150 distance or 80 centimeter. Okay, we will give any distance. So based on the distance you can note down the values. Okay, so your order difference is given 1 to 8. Okay, here we can measure the order distance. How can you measure the order distance? See, we can start the experiment, that is, so in the laser source switch on the experiment. Okay, when the laser light is incident on the grating, okay, then that light is produced on the diffraction spot, on the screen. Okay, so what it shows the light, that is called diffraction spot. Okay, so what it gives the spot on the screen, on the screen there is only one spot it shows bright, that spot is called diffraction spot, that is a 0th order spectrum. Okay, so 0th order spectrum. From the 0th order spectrum, remaining spot you have to dividing them on both sides, that is first order, second order, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Similarly, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so there is measuring diffraction spot on both sides. How can you measure the diffraction spot distance? Here distance is important. So from 0th order spectrum, first order to first order, how many distance is there? That is important. Then how can you measure the diffraction spot distance? See, using pencil, take one small dot within the spot. Okay, so where it is appeared, there is take a small dot within spot using pencil. Then the graph sheet is remove the graph sheet from the screen. Then what it gives the diffraction spot, there is measuring like this. This is your experimental diffraction spot distance. Okay, so take one graph sheet on the screen. So when the laser light is incident on the grating, that light is focused on the screen, so there is a diffraction spot is appeared. So this is bright diffraction spot. So from the diffraction spot, it is called 0th order spectrum. From the 0th order spectrum, remaining spot will be distributed. So there is then measuring distance between the two spot. Here to here, this is first order distance. First order distance is 2.6 centimeter. Similarly, second order to second order distance is 5.3 centimeter. Continue up to 8th order like this. Okay, so what it gives the distance, that distance is directly right in your tabular column in 2xm column. Okay, first order distance is 2.7. So 2.7, it is from graph, directly note down here. So here 2xm. What is 2xm? 2xm is the first order distance on both sides. Okay, next you can take xm. How you can take xm? 2.7 divided by 2, then it comes 1.3. Then you can calculate angle of diffraction. What is angle of diffraction? So when the laser light incident on the screen, there will be make some angle, that is angle of diffraction, that is have formula is tan inverse of xm by f. Here xm is this one and f is this one. Substitute here, take tan inverse, you will get theta m. Then take sine of this value, you will get this column. Then easily calculate lambda d sine theta m by m, where m is order of the spot. Spot first order is 1. D is grating constant. What is grating constant? What is the formula of the grating constant? Here this is grating constant formula. Here n is given in your tabular column, so directly write it here. So take simplification, you will get grating constant D, but it is not given in your exam. You do yourself. Next, directly D value, put it here. Then take simplification. So wavelength of the laser light, that is right in terms of nanometer. So wavelength unit is nanometer, that is right in terms of nanometer. It comes around 650 range or 660 range. So similarly continue up to 8th order. Okay, same procedure follow to up to 8th order. Next, take average of these all values, you will get average lambda value. So this average lambda value directly write in your experimental result. Okay, wavelength of laser in nanometer. Okay, that is 650 to 0.15. It is your experimental wavelength result. So our aim is to determine the wavelength of laser light by diffraction method. Okay.